Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In this video we will see solution of question number 3 of exercise 3.3 of class 6th. Question number 3 is using divisibility test to determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 6. So we have to check the divisibility of 6. So we know that in the previous video I already explained you, if any number is divisible by 2 and 3 both. If any number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, that means that number is divisible by 6 also. So for checking the divisibility of 6, we have to check the divisibility of 2 and 3. And if divisibility of 2 and 3 is absolutely true, it means that the number which is given in the question is also divisible by 6. So we know that in the divisibility of 2, we needed the ones place, the unit place as a even. So you can simply see here 4 is unit. We can say on the place of unit as a ones place value, unit place value. So our number 297144 is divisible by 2. Okay, when at a unit place we have a number like 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, on that time the number is divisible by 2. For the divisibility of 3, we have to find the sum of all digits. So sum of all digits. Simply we will find firstly the sum of all digits, which is 2 plus 9, 11, plus 7, 18, plus 1, 19, plus 4, 23, plus 4, 27. And this sum of all digits, which is 27, is divisible by 3. If sum of all digits is divisible by 3, so we can say 297144 is divisible by 3. You can simply see number is divisible by 2, number is also divisible by 3. It means that then 297144 is divisible by 6. Okay, number for this number divisibility of 2 and 3 both is satisfying. Because of that we can say yes, this number is divisible by 6 also. Then the next number of the question number 3 is 1258. This one is the number. Okay, simply firstly we have to find the divisibility for the 2. Okay, so we can simply see its unit place is 8. 8 is ones place value. 8 is ones place value, which is divisible by 2. You can simply write 8 is divisible by 2. 8 is divisible by 2. Because of that we can say 1258 is divisible by 2. Okay, then here we will solve divisibility of 3. Divisibility of 3, we have to find the sum of all digits. Simply we will find sum of all digits. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 8 is 16. What is the sum of all digit? Is 16. And 16 is not divisible. 16 is not divisible by 3. Because of that we have to write here 1258 is not divisible by 3. For the 2 it is satisfying, but for 3 it is not satisfying. So we have to write here then 1258 is not divisible divisible by 6. This one is the second one. For the first it is satisfying, for the second it is not satisfying. But we needed both as a satisfying. So here 1258 is not divisible by 6. Here we have C. Here we have 4335. Its unit place. 5 is ones place value. 5 is ones place value. 5 is not divisible by 2. 5 is not divisible by 2. So that number 4335 is not divisible by 2. So not divisible by 2, it means automatically we can say this number is not divisible by 6. But for the practice we will check for the divisibility of 3. Sum of all digits. Simply we can add all digits. 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. Is it 15 is divisible by 3? Yes, 15 is divisible by 3. So number 4335 is divisible by 3. But for the 2, condition is not satisfying. Because of that we have to write here. Then 4335 is not divisible by 6. So here we see we needed both condition from 2 and 3 both. Our number should be divisible. If any number is not dividing the number, on that time the number like 4335, whatever the number is there, that is not divisible by 6. We needed our number must be divisible by 2 and 3 both. So its remaining solution as follows. Now the D part is 61,233. Here we have unit place, ones place as a 3. 3 is not divisible by 2. It means that 61,233 is not divisible by 2. And for the divisibility of 3, when we added all digits of the number, we get 15. And 15 is divisible by 3. It means that 61,233 is divisible by 3. But for the 2, condition is not satisfying. Because of that, 61,233 is not divisible by 6. We needed both for the divisibility of 2 and divisibility of 3 should be there. Then after the, we have E part is 901352. In this, for the divisibility of 2, we will check the ones digit, and ones digit is 2 and 2 is divisible by 2. We can say this number is divisible by 2. And for the divisibility of 3, when we added all digits, here 9 plus 0 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2, we get 20. And 20, sum of all digit is not divisible by 3. It means that whole number is not divisible by 3. For 2, it is divided by 2, but for 3, it is not dividing by the 3. It means that number is not divisible by 6. Then F is 438750. Here we have unit place as 0. It means that the complete number is divisible by 2. And for the divisibility of 3, when we added all the digits, we have 27. And sum of all digits, 27 is divisible by 3. So we can say our number 438750 is divisible by 3. Both for the 2 and 3 condition is satisfying. Because of that, we can write 438750 is divisible by 6. Now the G part is 71790,184. Its ones place is 4 and 4 is divisible by 2. It means that complete number is divisible by 2. And for the divisibility of 3, when we added all digits, we have 30. And 30 is divisible by 3. It means that our whole number is divisible by 3. For the divisibility of 2 and divisibility of 3 both is satisfying, so we can say yes, 1790184 is divisible by 6. Then the next question is H. Here we have 12583. So for the divisibility of 2, ones place is 3 and 3 is not divisible by 2. It means that complete number is not divisible by 2. And when we added all digits, we have 19. 19 is not divisible by 3. It means that complete number is not divisible by 3. So we can say both condition is not satisfying. So we can say 12583 is not divisible by 6. Then the next is I. For I, you can simply see 639210 we have. Here we have ones place as 0. So we can say the number is divisible by 2. And for the divisibility of 3, when we added all digits, we have 21. And 21 is divisible by 3. So we can say our number 639210 is divisible by 3. So both condition is satisfying. It means that 639210 is divisible by 6. Last question, for last part of question number 3 is 17852. Here we have ones place as 2. So 2 is divisible by 2. It means that 17852 is divisible by 2. Then simply you can see when we added all digits of number, we have 23. And 23 is not divisible by 3 simply. So that 17852 is not divisible by 3. Here 2's condition is happening, but 3's condition is not happening. Because of that, we will write 17852 is not divisible by 6. So here we completed question number 3 of exercise 3.3 of class 6th. I hope you liked the video.